Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft games on PC. To begin, you will need a personal computer running a compatible Windows operating system. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for the games you wish to play. A stable internet connection is also essential for downloading and updating titles. Finally, a free Microsoft account is necessary to access the Xbox application and the vast library of games available. This setup provides the foundation for your gaming experience. The Xbox application is your primary gateway to Microsoft games on your personal computer. This free application allows you to browse, purchase, and launch your favorite titles. Consider subscribing to Xbox Game Pass, which provides access to hundreds of high-quality games for one low monthly fee. This includes many new releases available on their launch day. The app also facilitates social features, letting you connect with friends and track achievements. You have two main options for acquiring games: purchasing them individually or accessing them through Game Pass. Individual titles can be bought directly from the Microsoft Store or within the Xbox application. If you are a Game Pass subscriber, you can simply select and install any game included in your plan. Before downloading, always verify your computer meets the game system requirements to ensure smooth performance. The Xbox app provides clear progress indicators during installation. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, consider these helpful tips. Always maintain a stable internet connection, especially during large game downloads or online play. Regularly update your graphics drivers to the latest version for improved performance and compatibility. If a game isn't running correctly, use the Xbox Apps feature to verify its files for corruption. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources for your games.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.